Happy birthday, Jeng! I'm sure maraming ganap today, kaya sana mag-enjoy kayo ng super. Happy ako na marami kang na-accomplish, and I'm sure there are more that you can accomplish sa career and in your life. So, yun ang wish ko. Sana ma-accomplish mo lahat, magawa mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin for your future and Hannah's. And I miss you. Love, love!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jenny. I hope you enjoy this day because you deserve every bit of happiness for being the most awesome human being that you are. See you later. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jeng. Kiss ka na namin.
Happy birthday, Jeng.
Happy birthday, Tito Jeng.
We
Miss you.
Hello, Jeng. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Sorry, hindi kami nakapunta, pero gusto ko lang malaman mo na mahal ka namin. Love you. Mwah.
Jeng, happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka today. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. And Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat.
Hey Chef Jeng, happy birthday. How are you? I hope you're doing well. My wish on your birthday is to have good mental health and good physical health. I'll see you soon, okay? Bye. Enjoy your day.
Hi Mars, happy birthday. Hope to see you soon. Enjoy your birthday and miss you.
Hi Chef, happy birthday. Ang wish ko is to stay healthy and more blessings to come. Hanap tayong pahinga, Chef, lalo na ngayon medyo busy. Again, I hope you enjoy your day and happy birthday ulit. Bye Chef, thank you.
Hi, Jeng!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jeng!
See you
We
soon,
love you.
Jeng!
See you next year.
Soon, next week. Next
Mwah.
week, kita tayo.
Try kiss ninong Jeng. Na. Isa pa. Isa pa.
Isa pa. Mwah.
See you next year, Ninang. Bye. Adi.
Hello mga ka-reels! Ka-reels pa rin. Hindi. Andito ako ngayon sa event so nag-message kasi yung friend mo. Yun nga, meron silang surprise sa'yo and alam mo na. So naasasan tayong gumawa ng isang video greetings. Nakakala mo na sa abroad eh. Ako ngayon na nasa abroad kasi ikaw yung nandyan. Well, if you could remember the last time na umuwi ka, meron kang iniwang letter sa akin. Nagte-thank you ka because of my sacrifices sa pag-aalaga kila mami at daddy, ganyan, sa pag-aalaga sa bahay, gano'n. So, nagte-thank you ka. So, this time, di ba naalala mo rin sa last time yata, may message ako sa'yo na no, thank you, sabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Thank you for all of your sacrifices. Alam mo yun, yung effort mo, yung mga ginagawa mo para sa bahay, para sa family natin. Hindi kasi ganun siya kadali. Lalo na sa'yo na ikaw yung nag-abroad, ikaw yung talagang nagsimula, kumbaga, nagsimulang pinilit na maiahon naman tayo kahit paano. And I am so grateful and thankful na naging successful naman. At ngayon, di ba, kasama mo na si JM. So, may kasama ka na dyan. Yun lang. So, dami sinabi. Well, happy birthday, sister. Love you. And always remember, lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo na things happen for a reason. Lahat yan. Lahat ng bagay na nangyayari sa buhay natin, may dahilan yan. So, lagi mong pangahawakan yun. May nangyari hindi maganda, isipin mo ano yung magiging parang silver lining niya. May magandang kapalit yun. Or titingnan mo kung ano yung positive na magiging resulta nun after yung bagay na yun na nangyari. Laging ganun lang. Okay? So, happy birthday again. Greetings from the Philippines. Love you, sis. Hello, Jeng. Surprise!
Happy birthday!
birthday!
Hey, happy birthday!
Ingat palagi!
Surprise ka, no? Love lang, Kuya Otan. Bye-bye!
Hi, Jeng! Happy birthday, anak! Mahal ka namin ni mami mo. Huwag ka mag-alala, parati lang kami nasa likuran mo. Love you!
Hi, Jeng! Lagi kang magpapakabait. Salamat sa lahat ng support mo sa amin. Lalo-lalo kay JM, kay Jomel. Sa mga kuya mo, lagi ka lang mag-iingat. I love you, anak!
Happy birthday, Chef Jem from KB's Party.